Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of New Zealand, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in New Zealand. Welcome to New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty and thrilling adventure. Nestled in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, this island nation offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. From towering mountains and pristine beaches to vibrant cities and ancient forests, New Zealand has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a nature enthusiast, or a culture buff, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the wonders of Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. Imagine yourself hiking through ancient forests, the air thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. Picture yourself kayaking in crystal-clear waters, surrounded by towering fjords and playful dolphins. Envision yourself standing atop a snow-capped mountain gazing out at a panorama of rolling hills and turquoise lakes. This is New Zealand, a place where adventure awaits around every corner. But New Zealand is more than just stunning landscapes. It's a land of rich culture and warm hospitality. Experience the warmth of the Maori people, the indigenous inhabitants of New Zealand, and delve into their fascinating history and traditions. Discover the remnants of British colonial influence, from charming tea rooms to grand Victorian architecture. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of wonder and excitement. New Zealand is calling, and this guide will be your trusted companion as you answer the call of the Kiwi. Discover the North Island, where geothermal wonders and vibrant cities meet. Begin in Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, with its cosmopolitan vibe. Visit the Sky Tower for panoramic city and harbor views. Explore Auckland Domain's hidden gardens and winter gardens. Head to Rotorua, a geothermal wonderland with bubbling mud pools. See the Pahutu Geyser erupt at Tapuia. Experience Maori culture in Rotorua. Visit Taupo on the shores of New Zealand's largest lake. Cruise to the Mine Bay Maori rock carvings. Try skydiving or bungee jumping in Taupo, and in Wellington, the capital city. Explore Wellington's waterfront museums and galleries. Visit Te Papa Museum for New Zealand's history and culture. Prepare to be captivated by the South Island's dramatic landscapes and outdoor adventures. Begin your journey in Christchurch, the largest city on the South Island. Explore the innovative cardboard cathedral, a symbol of the city's resilience after the 2011 earthquake. Stroll through the beautiful Christchurch Botanic Gardens, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Head west to the West Coast, a region renowned for its rugged beauty and untamed wilderness. Explore the Franz Josef and Fox glaciers, two of the most accessible glaciers in the world. Hike through the lush rainforests and marvel at the cascading waterfalls. For a unique experience, take a scenic flight over the glaciers for breathtaking aerial views. Venture south to Queenstown, the adventure capital of the world. Experience the thrill of bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and canyon swinging. Take a scenic gondola ride to the top of Bob's Peak for stunning views of Queenstown and Lake Wakatipu. End your South Island adventure in Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cruise through Milford Sound, one of New Zealand's most iconic natural attractions. Marvel at the towering Mitre Peak cascading waterfalls and playful dolphins. No trip to New Zealand is complete without experiencing the rich culture of the Maori people. The indigenous inhabitants of New Zealand, the Maori, have a deep spiritual connection to the land and a rich history of art, music, and storytelling. Immerse yourself in Maori culture at a traditional marae, a communal meeting place. Witness a powerful pauiri, a welcoming ceremony that includes chanting, singing, and the hongi, a traditional greeting where noses are pressed together. Learn about the significance of carvings, tattoos, and weaving in Maori culture. Experience the thrill of a kapa haka performance, a vibrant display of Maori performing arts. Be captivated by the powerful haka, a war dance, and the graceful poi dance, using balls attached to strings. Listen to the haunting melodies of Maori instruments such as the putarino, a wooden flute, and the pahu, a traditional drum. Engage with local Maori communities to gain a deeper understanding of their customs and way of life. Visit a Maori Arts and Crafts Center to learn about traditional carving, weaving, and tattooing techniques. Purchase authentic Maori souvenirs, such as carved bone jewelry or woven flax baskets. Section 5. A British Legacy, Echoes of a Colonial Past. New Zealand's history is interwoven with British colonialism, which has left an enduring legacy on the country's culture and architecture. Experience this heritage in the charming towns and cities scattered across the islands. Stroll through the streets of Dunedin, known as the Edinburgh of the South, and admire its grand Victorian and Edwardian architecture. Visit Larnac Castle, New Zealand's only castle, and delve into its fascinating history. Enjoy a traditional high tea at one of Dunedin's many tea rooms, complete with scones, clotted cream, and dainty sandwiches. Explore the historic buildings of Christchurch, including the Canterbury Museum and the Arts Centre, housed in restored Gothic Revival buildings. Visit the picturesque seaside town of Akaroa, a former French settlement with a distinct European ambiance. Indulge in a spot of afternoon tea at one of New Zealand's many historic hotels, such as the Hermitage Hotel in Mount Cook National Park or the Waitomo Caves Hotel. Savor freshly baked scones with jam and clotted cream while enjoying the elegant surroundings. Section 6. Savoring New Zealand's Bounty, a Culinary Journey. Embark on a culinary adventure and savor the fresh, flavorful cuisine of New Zealand. From succulent seafood to world-class wines, New Zealand's culinary scene will tantalize your taste buds. Indulge in fresh seafood, a cornerstone of New Zealand cuisine. Sample bluff oysters, renowned for their creamy texture and unique flavor. Try green-lipped mussels, steamed or grilled to perfection. Savor fish and chips, a classic Kiwi takeaway meal, best enjoyed by the beach. Experience the flavors of the land with New Zealand lamb and beef. Try a traditional Maori hangi, where meat and vegetables are cooked underground using hot stones. Sample venison, a lean and flavorful meat often served with berry sauces. Quench your thirst with New Zealand's world-class wines. Visit the vineyards of Marlborough, renowned for their Sauvignon Blanc. Explore the wineries of Central Otago, known for their Pinot Noir. Sample local craft beers, ciders, and spirits. Section 7. Practical tips for an unforgettable journey. To make the most of your New Zealand adventure, here are some practical tips to ensure a smooth and memorable trip. Visa requirements. Most visitors to New Zealand require a visa. Check the New Zealand immigration website for the latest visa requirements for your nationality. Currency. The currency in New Zealand is the New Zealand dollar, NZD. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's advisable to carry some cash for smaller purchases. Tipping is not mandatory in New Zealand but is appreciated for good service. Health and safety. New Zealand has a high standard of healthcare. Travel insurance is recommended for unexpected medical expenses. Weather. New Zealand's weather can be unpredictable, so it's essential to pack for all seasons. Layers are key, as temperatures can fluctuate throughout the day. Transportation. New Zealand has a good transportation network, including flights, buses, and rental cars. Driving is an excellent way to explore the country at your own pace. Section 8. When to answer the call of the Kiwi, a seasonal guide. New Zealand offers unique experiences year-round, with each season painting the landscapes in different hues. Consider the following seasonal guide to plan your trip. Summer from December to February features long, sunny days perfect for outdoor adventures, from hiking to swimming. Expect crowds and higher prices during this peak season. Autumn from March to May allows you to witness the landscapes transform into a kaleidoscope of colors as leaves turn vibrant shades of red, orange, and gold. Enjoy pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Winter from June to August is the time to embrace the snow-capped mountains and hit the slopes for skiing and snowboarding. Cozy up by the fire in the evenings and enjoy hearty Kiwi cuisine. Spring, from September to November, lets you experience the landscapes come alive with blooming flowers and newborn lambs. Enjoy mild weather and fewer crowds. Section 9. Finding your path. Transportation across the islands. Navigating New Zealand's diverse landscapes is part of the adventure. Choose from various transportation options to suit your preferences and itinerary. Air travel connects major cities and towns, offering a convenient way to cover long distances. Bus travel provides comfortable and affordable services operating throughout New Zealand, connecting major tourist destinations. Renting a car provides flexibility and allows you to explore at your own pace. Just be aware of driving conditions, which can be challenging in some areas. Embrace the freedom of the open road and hire a camper van. Numerous campsites throughout the country offer stunning locations to park up and enjoy the surroundings. Ferries connect the North and South Islands, offering scenic journeys across the Cook Strait. Section 10. Accommodation options. From backpacker havens to luxury lodges, New Zealand offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and travel style. Backpacker hostels are budget-friendly and provide a social atmosphere, offering the opportunity to connect with fellow travelers. Motels are comfortable and affordable, widely available, offering basic amenities and often kitchen facilities. Hotels range from budget-friendly options to luxurious accommodations, catering to a range of preferences. Experience New Zealand's renowned hospitality at boutique lodges, offering personalized service and stunning locations. Holiday parks provide a range of accommodation options, from campsites to cabins, often with shared facilities. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the spirit of New Zealand. New Zealand is a land of contrasts and wonders, where breathtaking landscapes meet warm hospitality and thrilling adventures. From the geothermal wonders of the North Island to the majestic mountains of the South Island, there's something to captivate every traveler. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Maori people, experience the remnants of British colonialism, and savor the fresh, flavorful cuisine. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities, peaceful nature retreats, or cultural immersion, New Zealand has it all. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and answer the call of the Kiwi. New Zealand awaits, ready to unveil its treasures and create memories that will last a lifetime. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to New Zealand. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to New Zealand, share your experiences in the comments below, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels! Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.